So we'll go through the guided practice then on the next page. Again, they're giving us our equations. I've highlighted them so it's easy for us to see. The pink line is 4x minus 2y equals negative 6. And the yellow line is right there, 2x minus y equals 4. And as you can see that the pink and the yellow line from system A are parallel to each other, which means there's no solution. When we look at system B, it's the pink line again, but the x plus y equals 6 is the green line. So you can see that they intersect right there. When you have intersecting lines, you know you are going to have one solution. C, when we look at the yellow line, right? And then we look at the orange line, which is pretty much the same line. We know that these have infinite number of solutions because they're the same line. So system A has no points in common, system B has 1 point in common, and system C has all of the points in common because they're the same line. 2, 3, and 4 are asking us to again solve our problems for each of our different systems. Again, your choice on which method you would prefer to use, whether it is graphing, substitution, or elimination. So my first equation, I decided to multiply the top equation by 5, which would allow me to eliminate my 5x's. So 5x minus 5x is 0. When I distribute the 5 with the negative 3, I get negative 15y, which causes them to cancel. And when I distribute 5 with the 4, it gives me 20, which causes them to cancel. So again, we have 0 equals 0, which gives us infinite many solutions. Number 3, again, I used elimination. I multiplied the second equation by negative 2 to get my x's to cancel. So negative 6x plus negative 2y is equal to negative 8 when I distributed. And then I brought down my other equation, 6x plus 2y is equal to negative 4. My x's cancel to 0. My y's cancel to 0. So this z is equal to 0. But the terms on my right side do not cancel to 0. They equal negative 12. So we know that 0 does not equal negative 12, which makes this no solution. Number 4, again, I used elimination. I multiplied the top equation by 2, which gave me 12x plus a negative 4y is equal to negative 20. My y's cancel, and I get 15x. And I add together the terms on the right side, I get negative 45. Dividing both sides, it tells me that x is equal to negative 3. I'm going to plug in negative 3 into my equation. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Adding 9 to both sides gives me negative 16. And dividing both sides by 4 gives me negative 4. So this equation has one solution. It's negative 3, negative 4. So I'm going to ask you guys to try the other problems on the next page. Numbers 8 through 16. And I will put the answers up for you guys. And then I would also like you to try on the next page 18 and 19.